It's beautiful. Thank you. So, guys, my review for the Danfo Amala. I went there because they've been saying it is in Kubwa. So I said, okay, let me try the one in Kubwa. And depends on your price where you buy food outside. I used to buy, there's one I normally go next Amala to get food. Their price is lesser. I go to review some food, some nice food. Most of the time, if I'm busy in an occasion, I have a gathering, not that then. But I say, let me try this down for, but my dad says the price is on the high side. A portion for jollof rice is 1-2. I don't know whether that's how you buy your food. Then fried rice, a portion is 800, abi 700, 800, abi 700. Then the beef is 500 per one. So let's see the review ourselves. So guys, I prepared the fried rice than the jollof. Okay, I'm not coming to try it because coming to that place, 11 o'clock, food is not ready. I'm coming from one night, so I went for shopping. For one night, I slept in church till 8 o'clock. I went to shop for my groceries in the house and I had to go there. So, 11 o'clock, food is not ready. Only fried rice, jollof rice, amala, all those things, native rice, they're not ready. So, you guys can rate it yourself. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.
A few moments later.
I go cheese tire. Say hi, guys. And let me give you a pet my babies, these are my babies. These are my babies.